This 2016 Pleasant Valley 320S is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Pleasant Valley is 15 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, water heater, air conditioning, stovetop burner, self-contained, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, TV, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, and 11 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bath, front kitchen, rear dinette, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Pleasant Valley 320S is 1,760 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.